Welcome back to the channel. What have we got ourselves into today? Well, I wonder what this is. Oh, it's made by a company by Chamberlain. Oh, look at that. That's a remote control to operate a garage door. There's a little 9-volt battery and there's a little mounting screw hole. Let's go through how we program this baby. So, first thing I'm going to do is go up the ladder and flip this little cover open, because we have to determine that the little learn button is actually yellow. That'll come into play in a minute. We are going to refer to the instructions because everyone is a little different and we want to get this right the first time. So the first little order of business is to press and hold the star button and the number button at the same time until the light stops flashing. There it is. Now I'm going to enter a 4-digit privacy or entry code. Okay, that code's been entered. Now, very important, if you look at this, you can see that since I have a yellow learn button, I only have to press this button once here. And the button we want to press once is the enter button. And then we have to press and hold the 0 button. Now I'm going to press and release the learn button, this yellow button, back up here again. We're going to enter our PIN number and see if we take a look. Oh, see the light flashed. And then I believe to test this, we can just do the PIN number and this garage door right ahead of us should be opening. Now, if you look ahead it that way, you'll see the garage door closing. Let's come over and put the remote control up. There's the old one that's going to come off. We're going to put one screw in the bottom. These screws are always too long. We'll pop the battery in, and that's a check mark in the win column. We'll see you next time.